Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser customize. And in this video, I will show you how to pin most visited website display on your Chrome browser for easy navigation and quick remembering of the last website you visit in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Customize Chrome. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to shortcut right here. Go ahead and click on Show Shortcuts. Next thing you want to do is to switch to Most Visited Site right here. And with that, next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on this tab to close this pop-up. And with that, you have access to your most visited or recently visited website in your shortcut right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this about how to customize and use your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.